The road was perfectly clear when this drive began. I didn't notice when the mist started creeping in. It didn't arrive suddenly, it just quietly took over the road. The only thing I could see clearly was my own headlights cutting through the white. Everything beyond that simply didn't exist. Vehicles would appear out of nowhere. I hear them before I see them, and by the time I see them, they are already passing me. You don't realize how much you depend on seeing until you can't. After a point, I was not driving by sight, but by instinct. Every turn feels like a guess. And slowly, the road starts coming back. Shapes return, trees return, distance returns. The mist didn't clear, it simply disappeared like it was never here. Some roads don't test your driving, they test how calm you can stay when you can't see what's ahead. And Dhimbam Road is one such thing.